Christmas at Marriott in the Philippines is really about service from the heart. We want to ensure a meaningful Christmas to all of our friends, communities, and associates.
From the hotels of Marriott International in the Philippines to yours, wonderful hospitality is always in store. Service above self, putting people first. A guiding dictum that makes sure that every beautiful moment is consistent and uncleft. Allow stories of timeless memories to unfold, letting these pieces of experience be told and retold.
Maligayang Pasko!
Alles Gute zum Feste.
Maligayang Pasko, kanatong tanan.
Joyeux Noël.
Happy holidays. Make it merry.
Genuine service from the heart that drives a meaningful start to a constellation of unique discoveries that adds color to one's journey, becoming life's important part.
Maligayang Pasko!
Maligayang Paskonstelasyon! Celebrate this gift of life. I'll be with you forever in those special moments.
Merry Christmas!
We will live, you and me. You and me.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Maligayang Paskonstelasyon! Maligayang Paskonstelasyon!
Moments with you.
Merry Christmas! Maligayang Paskonstelasyon!
Moments with you.
Maligayang Paskonstelasyon!
Let's come together. Celebrate this gift of life. I'll be with you. Special moments in our memories.
Search for the star that matches yours. You are guaranteed of a warm welcome regardless where you are, in a place and moment where you believe you want to be, right where happiness is rightfully yours.
Maligayang Pasko.
Maligayang Pasko!
Frohe Weihnachten.
Malipayong Pasko o bulahang bagong tuig.
Maligayang Paskonstelasyon.
Moments with you. Moments with you.
Paskonstelasyon, taking you to meaningful holiday celebrations.